Hi, I'm Mark Draper from Gem Capital, and today we're talking about what is income protection. Income protection, put simply, is just taking out insurance so that you'll continue to get paid if you can't work due to sickness or accident. To answer the question of who should have income protection insurance, I think you really need to ask yourself the question, how would you cope financially if you couldn't work due to a sickness or accident? For instance, who would pay the mortgage, who would pay motor registration, as well as just simple luxuries like food and water and electricity. If you were unable to continue to make payment for those things without an income, then you should consider replacing your income through income protection insurance. There's three crucial elements of an income protection insurance policy. The first one is knowing that an insurance company will pay up to 75% of your normal earnings. The reason it's 75% is just so that there's some incentive to return back to the workplace. The second element of an income protection insurance policy is what's known as a waiting period. And really all a waiting period is how long do you have to be off work for before the insurance company will pay your claim. And waiting periods would typically range from 14 days through to normally 2 years. Obviously, an insurance policy with a 14-day waiting period that will pay a claim if you've been off work for 14 days will be more expensive than a 2-year waiting period. And the final element that also affects the premium is what's known as the benefit period. And the benefit period is how long will the insurance company continue to pay your claim while you're unable to work. And benefit periods typically range from 2 years, 5 years, through till paying you until you're age 65. Those who are relying on work cover to pick up the tab if you can't work really aren't playing the percentages. You've really got to understand that work cover will only cover you for accidents that happen at work that are related to your employment. Work cover does not cover you for sickness or illness. Interestingly, only 30% of claims for income protection relate to accidents. The best way I can sum up income protection insurance is giving you an analogy of having a goose that laid a golden egg. So if you had a goose that laid a golden egg, would you take out an insurance policy to insure the egg? Or would you take out an insurance policy to insure the goose that laid the golden egg? When you think about it, the eggs are our possessions like cars and houses. We readily accept the fact that we're going to take out insurance on those things, and yet we ignore insuring the goose more often than not. So our challenge to you is don't be a goose and make sure you've got income protection insurance. For more details on this and how you can get great deals on income protection insurance, check out our website at gemcapital.com.au.